Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend, and this is a trading channel for all the working professionals. And when I say working professionals, I really mean it. If at all you want, you can check all my videos, all my strategies, all are for working people because you just have to spend less than 2 minutes of your time. So people, those who have not subscribed still, I recommend you to subscribe and also press the bell button. You will be getting notifications of video as soon as I upload. So friends, today I'll be teaching you something about margins, because this is something which many people don't know. Few of them are aware of the recent updates which has happened with SEBI, where the margins have reduced drastically, but many are still not aware of this. So I will show you. In fact, for those who know about it, you can just skip it, not a problem. But for people those who are not aware of it, you can check it. And also we will be looking to today's trade which we did, how we did, how was the conditions taken. But let me tell you, there was nothing done. We just took our positions and we booked our profits today as well. So day by day trading is becoming easy. So it's not my mistake, it's market. And the position which we had taken was Tata Motors. And this is my Telegram channel in which I am posting the same thing for people those who are taking open trades with me. uh, Friends, yesterday almost everyone saw this position, so that is why I felt there's nothing to hide. That is why I'm just showing it to you again. So in yesterday's video I had shown you that we had taken Tata Motors and we had taken a we're taking a bearish view. Okay, so we are seeing that we're taking a bearish view. So what do you mean by bearish view? We are expecting the stock to go down further. So we are selling the future, that is Tata Motors, and then we are also selling the put option. That is what you can see. I have mentioned here, we are selling the Tata Motors, at the same time we are selling the put option. And the most important thing is we are buying the call option for the hedging, or otherwise you can also call as the insurance which we are doing. Now what's the benefit of doing this? That is what I'm going to show in today's video. So you can see the reason why we took Tata Motors. The stock was trending, no doubt, but then as I told you previously, it started showing a negative bias. In the sense, we started seeing that the stock was coming down. So initially you can see that the stock was continuously going up. Then I told you there was a strong reversal candle which was happening, but after that you can see that the trend has changed completely. Yes, if you draw fresh trend lines, you can see that the stock is returning, it is coming down. So that is the reason why I took a bearish view. Okay, so though you can see a green candle, doesn't matter here. What we can understand is that the trend has changed. That is why we took a bearish view. And yeah, so the positions taken were these. So this is today morning I have recorded the video. Just want to show you the capital use and how, what's the benefit of using doing hedging. That is what I want to show you. Okay, so as already we had informed yesterday and we taken position yesterday, you can see that we have sold the future. Yes, and also we have sold the put option. So you can see both are in negative here. And for the insurance sake, we have bought the call option. Okay, so for people those who are all telling me, sir, what will you do with the gap down, gap down, gap down? For them, this is a solution. We are buying this insurance, but in this particular case, you can see it is making loss and it is pulling down our profits. But it doesn't matter, it will save us in case if there's any drastic movement. That is why I was telling you have to be you have to be ready to sacrifice your profits in case if there is some profits. This will be reducing your profit. Okay, so friends, let us see what's the capital which we have used for this kind of hedging. And I'll show you some interesting things in today's video. This is a magic which has happened from SEBI. Okay, so the capital used is only 88,000 rupees. You can see that the used funds, this is the total amount that you have utilized against any open or closed position. The fund used is only 88,000 in spite of having 3 legs. Okay, now you want to know more interesting facts, then I have more things to show to you as well. Basically you have to understand that the new rule has is promoting us to do hedging. That is why we have started to do this hedging positions now. We are also taking this insurances as well now. Okay, so before we were not doing this insurance, before we were doing only the covered put or the covered call. Okay, so now what I have done is I am open the upstocks margin calculator, and I'll just show you. what I have done. Okay, so basically I have taken same Tata Motors futures. Okay, and you can see that the one lot is 4,300, and just see the upfront margin which is required. It requires 1,64,000 rupees plus exposure margin of 12,000 rupees. Thereby the capital required for this is, in case if you're trading only Tata Motors, then the capital required is 1,77,000 rupees. This was how the situation was 1 month before, not even 1 month before. That is before June 1st, whenever you were trading in these kind of positional trades, you needed huge capital. Okay, so now also in case if you're taking futures, you need huge capital. You need almost 1,77,000 rupees for just, you can see, one lot of future if you're taking. Okay, now I'll just show you what happens in case if you are doing the hedging. So what I've done is simple thing. For doing the hedging, I'm taking the insurance, that is the put option, and I'm taking a strike price of 120, same Tata Motors you can see, and the same expiry you can see, and I'm just buying. Okay, so nothing but we are arresting the movement in case if anything happens and the market goes down drastically. So you're buying futures and you are buying the insurance. So now you can see, okay, it has been added, and the beauty is it's just need a capital of 21,898 rupees. So where is 1,77,000 and where is 21,898? Friends, this is why I jumped on to this kind of system from June month. I had told you before itself, we will do this kind of adjustments. Reason because SEBI is promoting us to do hedging so that your money is safe. So why not utilize it? So the capital required is also reducing very very drastically. You can see almost it's reduced by 80%. Yeah. So since we had taken three legs, that we had taken one more call option as well. That's the reason why you can see that our capital required is more. So that is why I recommend every one of you also to start following this hedging technique, not only for my calls or for my systems, for everything whatever you're doing, please do follow the hedging. Okay. So markets have been opened 9:15. You can see time is 9:15, and we are already in a profit 2,795. So as I told you, morning as soon as you get up, if at all you find profits, you book your profits. That's it. In case if there is loss, small loss, minimal loss, we'll accept it. But if there are big loss, we'll do the adjustments. But one more thing which I want to tell you is the put option, the call option which we had taken as insurance has reduced our profit by almost 4,000 rupees. Never mind, but our capital is safe. Okay, so this is what I was telling you. You have to be ready to sacrifice your profits when you're doing this insurance as well. If at all you want to sacrifice, I mean, if at all you want to reduce this, you can take a far OTM as well. So you can take around 130 C or 140 C. But then in case if there's loss, the loss also will be huge. So you have to be ready for all those. But you know that we're already in profit, so I don't have to take so much of risk. So that is why I'm just taking risk of 10% only. So as of now, since Tata Motors is trading around 110, I have taken insurance of around 10% only. This is nothing but, you can, in simple words, we are talking about insurance. Okay, so since we are in profit, we are closing our trades now. We are booking our profits. Nothing much to be done today. So as we had discussed previously, we are closing our options positions first, so that in case if there's any movement or if there is any leverage, I mean slippages especially, because you know that early morning the placing trades also are difficult, and in case if there is any slippage, then our profits also will be lost. So I don't want to take that kind of risk. So you can see it's moved already to 8.20. This is what I was talking. First let us close the option first, because we have to play with the adjustments. I meant to say is with respect to the price only, in the sense adjusting the prices. So you can see it is completed now, and either you can close the future now, or otherwise we can close the insurance as well. Okay, so yeah, so already you can see that the put option is closed, and our now let us close even the insurance as well. So it is as of now at 3.80. So let me just refresh it. So early morning you will have this trouble with all the brokers, because lots of orders will be placed. You need to have very good internet connection, And also recommend you, in case even if you're having market orders, please place only limit orders only. Okay, because the slippages will be huge and then you might end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so you can see both the orders have been closed. It's 0 0 now, remaining with the future only. So future, I think it's easy, we can place the market order and complete the trade. Okay, so let us see. Yeah, so all three have been completed. You can see that it is 0 0 0, and then you can see the profit for today without doing anything. You can see the time is only 9:17 still. What did we do yesterday? Just at after 3 o'clock we place the trade, and morning at 9:15, 9:16 or something we are just closing a trade, nothing else. So majority of the times we will get profit by morning itself. Reason, because your stock selection has to be very good. I agree, covered call can be done for anything, but use your common sense. Try to find a stock which is having very good momentum. Do the trend analysis. In case if you find the stock is going up, then buy. In case if you find the stock is coming down, then sell. And morning, if at all it's profit, you can book the profits. But if you feel that you are taken your position the wrong way, do the adjustments. So you have options for everything. So this is how we did our trade today. Very, very simple, very, very easy, and happy that all those who traded were able to make profits. All those who learned and did covered calls also were able to book profits. And as I told you, take care of your losses, profits will automatically take care of you. That is what I am doing. That is a policy which I am following as well. And today you can see with almost less than 1 lakh investment, we have made 5,000 rupees profit. That is close to 5% returns. What a beauty, right? So you can either think about increasing your capital and all those things, but all those is not required now. So I'm just updating into my Excel also. So 4,500 rupees profit, and you can see the returns. 42,500 achieved already, and today the returns was 4,500. That is nothing but almost 4.5% or 5% returns with an investment of around 88,000 rupees. You saw the investment as well. Yeah, and what a day for all the traders. Okay, friends, and last but not the least, in case if you want to join Upstock or Angel Blue, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. And in case if you want any support, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.